circumstances. For further information, Dominic would be joining us. Dominic, what information do you have for us?
Jhansi, I'm right now at the place of the murder. Till now, the police hasn't been able to identify the culprits. The neighbors saw the 3 bodies this morning.
Did you get the details of that girl? I mean, name, address and other details?
Though the name and details of the girl who is in question is not revealed by the police, our sources have told us that her name is Diana.
Dominic, has the investigative team reached the place? What information can you get for us?
Jhansi, I haven't got much information. All I know is that the newly appointed inspector will be coming here in some time. He's expected here soon.
Right,
back to the studio.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, could you please tell us about the case?
First, let me see the dead body.
Sir, please, something.
Sir, please,
about the murders.
I mean, the killer?
Yeah, regarding the killers, how many of them would be there? I think you should decide. Think properly and let me know. Let me begin my job.
Sir.
Mr. Paul,
Sir.
is the procedure over?
Finished, sir. That lady is admitted in the hospital. Doctor says there is nothing to worry.
Okay. Actually, who was the first witness?
He's staying close by. Hey, come here.
Hey, come soon.
Hey, Constable.
Sir?
I'll deal with it. What's your name?
My name is Thomas, sir.
Around what time did you see?
Around 6:30, sir.
Why did you come here at that time?
I'm the caretaker, sir. House owner has told me to take care of this house, sir.
Did you inquire about the owner?
I inquired about it. A man from Switzerland. I heard he is not staying over here for past 1 year.
Okay. You may leave.
Thank you, sir.
Alright, should I keep the food ready?
First, you will get ready and then we can have.
I have already eaten.
Oh, then I don't want food. Yes. Oh God, you could have gone in that same vehicle. Now I have to leave you.
Sir, I am not going back today, sir. You should need someone here to help you, sir. I will help you, sir.
Hey, that's not needed.
I am giving you my assurance, sir. I will not disturb you. Look, sir. Morning I will prepare bed coffee for you. Then I will clean this entire place. After that, washing your clothes. Then, if you don't have any problem, not every time, in a month, about 15,000 rupees you can give me. That's enough.
Oh, that's enough. Hey, is this the right place? Yeah, this is the address. Are you sure? Yeah.
I really doubt this is the address.
No, this is the address. He gave it to me.
Well, in that case, I guess he's won a lottery. It's not possible to buy such a big property.
Look, he's over there.
Sir, who are these guys?
They are our partners. Hi, bro.
Come, bro.
It's been so long we have met.
What is this, man? I just want to show you that I'm also with you, sir. That's it. Sorry. I will repeat this always. Shit. I will not do it anymore.
Who's he?
My name is Roy. Broker Roy, you don't know me? Sir, tell him something about me, sir.
Broker, is he in the escort business?
Oh, sir, you...
No, don't do this.
You don't think that I am that kind of a broker, sir, please.
Leave it, man. It's okay. No worries.
This is my usual dialogue, sir.
That is also fine. By the by, from today onwards, he is our slave.
Of course. You know something, sir? If you call me as mediator, I'll be very happy.
Okay.
Everybody's happy.
Carry my bag.
Sure, please give it to me.
Come inside.
Carry my bag too.
Yeah, please give it to me. Sir, please don't think that I'm a ghost, sir. These bags are too heavy.
Listen. We have to go to beverage after this.
Really? Sir, I like this idea very much, sir.
Oh God, it was you.
Scared. What was that sound, buddy?
Hey, nothing, man. It's just me.
No, I don't think it was you. Wait for me.
So that means she will come. Oh God. I will have to make these people go away. I will make it happen.
Buddy, food is ready.
Yeah, I don't need. I will eat later.
Hi, Peter.
Hi. Hey, leave it. I will take it. How did you like our house?
Let me just see.
How was your journey?
Not bad.
Come.
She looks very old. What do you say? It's okay. I like her. In that case, I like her too. Oh God, there's a power cut. This is bad. Na 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 na. is right here. I'm quite sure he's gone to that girl's room. Let me go see. I won't leave him today. Peter? I'll leave. Oh, I didn't expect this from him. He's a nasty fellow.
Hey, Peter! Peter, can you hear me? Open this door. Switch on the motor, there's no water. Peter, are you there? Oh. Hey! Peter! James! Can you guys hear me? Stop messing around, okay? Open the door! James! Peter!
Oh, this door's not opening.
Hey bro, tell me what is the problem?
Have you guys felt something unusual about this place?
What is the problem?
What's wrong? No problem at all.
Hey, I don't think so.
I feel the same too. I'm sure there's some problem in this place. There's something which has been following all of us.
What do you mean?
Well, I had a bad dream last night. I put a leaf in the water. It showed me that something's following us. I also confirmed about this after speaking to my master. We gotta find out.
Peter, there's something wrong with this entire house.
What is it?
I really can't point a finger at this.
Hey, I don't think so.
There is some sort of discomfort here.
Both my friends told the same, and now you are also saying it. I don't understand.
Something is there. I told you what I have to. Rest is up to you now.
What happened to all these people? Hey, we didn't see him.
I'm back!
Hey, you got it?
Yeah, I got it, buddy. Did you see Roy anywhere? I didn't see him.
I don't know where he would have went.
I'll be right back. Wait till then, okay?
Yeah, you come fast. Hey, take that glass.
Okay.
Oh God. Bro, come fast.
Coming. I'm here, guys. Pour the drink. The shop was crowded.
That's okay. We got what needed. Oh. Hey, Rose. I need some water.
I'm coming.
Oh.
Here, water. I'm going to lie down.
Okay.
Where am I? There's water for you. Hey, get up. Have water. Get up.
I don't want.
Have this water before sir comes here.
I don't want. I told you I don't want.
Why don't you want to drink the water?
Just leave her. I hope ma'am will cooperate with us.
Yes, sir, she will. Move it this side.
Can't you listen?
Hey, come on.
Sir.
What is this? You ask her in a sober way. She's going to cooperate. Please be seated. What's your name?
Diana. Diana Jackson.
Where do you stay?
My house is very far from here.
Look, this is just a formality. I hope you understand, Diana. Tell me the truth. What happened that day?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
It's okay. Cool down. Cool. I can understand. But Diana, you should try to recollect something. How did you land in that house? Did you come with someone? Or were you alone?
Nobody was there with me. I will make her talk, sir.
Hey, Stella.
Sir.
Let us talk peacefully.
Sir.
Why are you unnecessarily creating a tension?
Sorry, sir.
Diana, did you come with someone?
I don't know anything, sir. Can you give me some water?
Constable, get us some water. Samson, tell me.
Sir, I have reached, sir.
Yeah, just wait there. I'm coming.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Just take your time and think peacefully. Now tell me, who's there at home?
My husband.
What do you actually do? I mean, any job as such?
Sir, I'm an architect. I had to observe an old building which is at a place far away. It was actually a one-week trip. April 28th was the day, I think, when I left home.
Okay. How do you know the people who died?
Sir, I do not know the people who died. I don't think I have met them before. I don't even know where those people belong.
How can I believe that? Why do you go to that place with people whom you don't know? Or why did you go there at all?
Tell him. Can't you hear he's asking you something?
Why don't you reply?
Not required. Diana will tell me. Stella, let Diana relax for some time. I will just leave now. But upon my return, you should recollect everything. Did you get me?
Hey, please don't cry. Hey, don't cry.
If you guys want to speak something, you can go to the other room. Make it quick,
okay.
but...
Come.
I do not know.
Hey.
What is happening here? I cannot remember anything, Jackson. I cannot remember anything. What will I do now?
Hey, come on. I don't know what to do. To be honest, what is happening I don't understand. Whatever you remember, you should tell him, okay? Everything will be alright. And then, I haven't told anything to our parents. I am there with you. Don't worry.
Enough. Please come.
Good morning, sir.
Please sit.
Thank you, sir. The dead people's name and address I got it, sir. One person is Peter. He was staying here only, sir. The other person is one Mr. Sam from faraway place. Third person was George. He is also from faraway place. I got phone call list of Peter. Here it is.
Yeah, show me.
I have called that person who has contacted him.
What did he say?
He was friend of Peter, sir. Before few days, they were working together. He doesn't work anymore with them. He is in town now. I have asked him to come here.
Okay, good. Did the owner of the house call you?
Yes, sir. He is in more tension, sir. He is asking any problem will be there for his return.
Why unnecessary tension? Ask him to come first. Then he can think of whether he should go or not.
Okay, sir.
Okay? You can leave.
Okay, sir.
Martin, that's you. Yes, sir. What exactly happened? I don't know anything, sir. What did Peter tell you when he called you? He called me to tell he bought a cottage and that need to be renovated and there are some other things to be done. And did you go there? Yeah, I went there, sir. When did you go? Exactly, sometime at night. I think it's on the 10th, sir. I had called him from the place where he asked me to call me. But his phone was switched off, sir. And to seek revenge, you killed them. Yes or no? No, sir. Then who killed them? Tell me. No, sir. I don't know anything, sir. You may leave now. But when I call you, you should be here. Did you get me? Sure, sir. Here, go. Okay, sir.
Sir.
Yes.
House owner has come, sir.
Please ask him to come in.
Okay, sir. Morning, sir.
Please take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
We can go to your house, right?
Yes, sir, we can go. Sir, 1 minute. Hello? I will come tomorrow. You will be there, no? Okay. Shall we move, sir?
We shall. Mr. Paulson, open the door.
Okay.
And you please wait here.
Okay.
Please get into the vehicle.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Constable,
Sir?
we should meet that Charles once again.
I'll call him, sir.
No, we should go there.
Okay, sir.
Diana, see, if you could give me the exact answers to my question, it's good for you and for me, okay? I shall tell you what I know, ma'am. When I regained my conscious, I think I was lying on the floor if I'm not wrong. Actually, what exactly happened there? Do you remember how you ended up in that house? When I realized that I'm on the first floor, I came down the stairs. The front door was slightly open. When I opened the door and stepped outside, I saw 3 bodies in a pool of blood. The house was unoccupied for so many days, Diana. How did you come from inside? I don't know anything, ma'am.
Sir, Diana's husband has come here, sir.
Please send him in.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir.
Please take your seat. Things seem to be a little too complicated, Jackson.
What happened, sir?
Number 1, your wife is not cooperating with us. Each and every time she says she doesn't remember anything. Now, after recollecting all this, she says she was lying on the top floor of that house. Now, that house was locked for 1 year. How will she have entered?
Sir, I don't know anything.
Now you also don't know.
Sir, I am telling you the truth.
I'm getting it.
Sir, we have applied for bail.
No way, Jackson. Till the remand is not over, you will not get bail. Moreover, all the evidences are not supporting Diana. The fingerprints from the dead body and the DNA samples are a perfect match. Moreover, it's a cold-blooded murder.
So now, what do we do?
I'll try my best. Let's see. You please wait outside. I'm coming.
Okay.
I am Rose. In this big house, I'm the only daughter to my mom and dad. Today was my birthday. We all went to the church together. My dad got me a new laptop. I have been dreaming about this laptop. And then, I met someone on Facebook today. He started by wishing me for my birthday, but something very different about him. Diana, can you try and remember that old house that you visited the last? Yeah, that old house.
Diana is tension-free now. Yes or no, Jackson? She feels much better now. Diana, can I ask you something? Do you know someone by the name Rose? Now come on. Rose told me that she knows you.
She said that she knows me? But I don't know her.
Is it so?
But why, sir?
Hey, nothing. I just simply asked. It's okay. I know everything now. Even more than you guys know. Now, I don't know what's going to happen exactly. In fact, I have investigated this case with 100% sincerity. I know that Diana is innocent. For you guys, I have done exactly whatever I could do. Maybe that supernatural power that pulled you into this will find a solution for this also. Okay. Let's see. Just wait and watch. So this is my report. So this is in fact a rare case, sir. Over and beyond our law and order, a supernatural power has actually played in this case.
What do you mean, my dear officer? I am not able to understand.
Sir, my personal experience from this case is actually what I've mentioned in this report. And I have felt it.
What foolishness are you talking, my dear?
Some truth seem to be very foolish, sir.
That day, I lied to my parents that I'm seeing my friend, but I saw Peter. But
people are looking at us. Come, let us go.
Oh, Peter, why are we here?
Hey, nothing. We will just talk. Don't worry. Come.
Leave me. Leave me.
It's okay. It's me, right?
No, leave.
I am really hungry. I will go and buy something and come. What do you want?
Anything.
Close this door.
Who is it? Peter! Peter! Leave me! Who are you? Please don't do anything. Peter!
Hey, what happened?
Peter!
Hey, what happened?
Some guys came in here.
Who came?
I don't know.
Okay, let me go and search.
I'm scared. Phone? Peter?
Hello, bro. Everything is fine, right?
Huh?
I hope everything went as planned. Yeah. No, don't worry. I'll take care of her. Okay then, bro. Hey, can you hear me?
Today is my life's final day. I don't think there is any point in living on this earth. There is no point in me living. I'm leaving this world forever. This is not a suicide note. This is my life.
You know something? What you told me I can understand. But our department and the judiciary, they will not accept it.
But court will not accept it. I'll tell sir.
Right.
Madam, what should we do?
Don't worry, Diana. He's working for you guys.
What are we supposed to do?
It is a complicated case. We'll have to think about it. You know every details, you know.
What will we do, Jackson?
Hey, I know you haven't done anything wrong. We will do something. Hey. Hey, where did he go?
I'm back, guys.
Hey, did you get it?
Yes, of course. It was a struggle, but I managed somehow.
Did you see Mr. Roy anywhere?
I didn't see him.
We don't know where he went.
Here you go, buddy. Wait for me, I'll go change.
Hey, get some glasses.
All ready.
Hey, come man.
Coming. The shop was so crowded, you know. It took me nearly 2 hours to buy this drink.
That's okay. We still got it. What happened to the broker?
Oh no! God, no! No! Leave me!
Did you recognize me now? I'm Rose! I trapped you guys in my net! All this that you are seeing over here are my imagination. You destroyed not just me, but my family of this world without killing you.
The report which I